Here we are on the morning of the last day of the Sydney show, and tonight we're going to be heading out of town. So it's time to pack everything up and get ready. Meanwhile, Paulie's cooking up breakfast and Matt's busy waking up the crew.
Morning. Time to wake the others up.
I want to get that beautiful 12HT all warmed up before we hit the Sydney traffic and make our way to Eastern Creek. The old girl's running like a charm.
You're a legend, mate.
Good on you, mate. That's a good photo.
Take it easy. See ya.
Thank you.
Hey, mate.
Hello, Jess.
How you going?
Hello. How are you, mate? Good to see ya. There's some absolutely insane engineering in these buggies, you know. Front and back wheel steering, miles and miles of suspension movement, all controlled by hydraulics. It's just awesome. I've been watching them develop this stuff for years. And, these guys are real engineers. Fantastic to see, it really is. And they can drive too. I mean, you know, look at this. That ain't exactly easy and the risks are big. Oh, well done, mate. Can I just say how awesome it is to see the guys with the buggies here performing. I don't know if you know how much work's involved in getting those things to that stage and then getting the driving to the stages we've seen today. I mean, these guys are really awesome. Well, compared to the real drivers, my job's pretty easy. I'm sort of the radio clown, you know. Just drive around in the background so everyone can have a look at Milo too. But it's great too because it gives me a chance to work all the suspension in. You know, I'll be able to climb underneath later on and give everything a little bit of a tighten up if it needs it. This is a lovely way to work suspension into place. Just let it settle down. Get the bushes all ready, you know. Just make sure everything's doing exactly what it should. It lets the new gear bed in. Oh, guess what? Stick this in too. I can just imagine all those new terrain tamer parts working away underneath the truck. Mind you, it's a long way to Adelaide. Be a good test for all that work we did back in the shed at home. I use the air hammer to pull things to bits and I stick it on a light setting to put them back together lightly. Then I can work it around, you know, with a big ring spanner or something. I get my cylinder head pattern all nice and I know I can undo them on the road if I have to. Back underneath the truck, I'm having a good old workout under here playing with the U-bolts. It is crucial to get the U-bolts right because with all that twisting and weight, things can go wrong real quick. Richard's up the front playing with the ball joints. We're going to replace them all because you can with the terrain tamer kit. Then you know it's done once and for all. I've got to tell you, there's something really macho about doing leaf springs, you know. I might have trouble convincing the handbrake of that, but I'm fairly sure this is one of those jobs that ranks right up there. Because at the end of the day, I've got skin knuckles and I've got sore knees and I've got all sorts of things, but it was worth it. With me, anyway, last thing I always do, I've sort of semi-tightened everything with the air hammer. I'll just go through and tighten it up by hand now.
It seems our feet never touch the ground. Yeah,
It was fun. Being a professional truck driver, Jess is really interested in the new light forces because as everybody knows, there's just nothing better. Hey, what do you think of these?
Well, these look pretty cool, dude. Well, these are new ones, are they?
These are Genesis, fully LED. They give you about 1 kilometre's worth of light.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we are leading the world in light research right here in Australia. The intensity of the light allows everything to be lit up at the right intensity so you don't burn your eyeballs out, have a bit of a brain snap there on the Nullarbor or something. And as the show wraps up, all I can think about is the drive over to Adelaide. There's going to be plenty of excitement because we're taking some great backtracks to get there. Subscribe to the Roothy YouTube channel and get it all for free. brought to you by the best names in the business and a whole bunch of my mates helping out.